Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will show you how you can install One UI 9 apps in One UI 8.5 or in One UI 8, or it might work in One UI 7 also. I haven't tested in One UI 7, but it might work. And obviously, I will show you the difference between One UI 9 apps and One UI 8.5. Okay, so there are 3+ apps. Okay, first, let's start with the file manager. So this is the One UI 8.5 file manager currently. I haven't installed the latest version, but let me show you the difference first. Okay, so this is the One UI 8.5 older file manager, and let me open in One UI 8, One UI 9. So you can clearly see the difference between here. It's a big box. Inside this box there are some small folders, as you can see. Okay, but here there is no folder, something like that, only like this, and the recent tabs also is very different. Here it's very small, and here it's very big. And also the internal storage, here in older version it's very big, but here it's very small. All these categories like internal storage, dual messengers, etc is inside one single box, but here there is no box, as you can see. I don't know you can notice the box or not, but yeah, let me show you. There is a box. You can see the outline over here. At the bottom also you will see a difference. Here you can see at the bottom manage storage and recycle bin, but here at the bottom it says Google Drive and no. So that's the difference between One UI 9 and One UI 8.5 file manager. I think this looks way better. So you can install this right now. Okay, now let me install this latest file manager in One UI 8.5. This is the latest version. Okay, let me update it. Alright guys, I have installed the latest One UI 9 My File apps on my Samsung Galaxy S23 FE running One UI 8.5. Now let me open the My File apps, and this is my Samsung Galaxy S26 running on One UI 9 beta. And now you can see it's same from the bottom also. Now this is the My File apps which you can install. Now let me show you two more apps which you can install. The another one is weather app. So yes guys, you can install the One UI 9 weather app in One UI 8.5 also. So there are some small difference, so you will not notice much, but let me quickly show you by going to bottom. So this is the older what we call weather app in One UI 8.5, and this is the newest version, One UI 9 weather app. Okay, there are small difference. For example, here you can see this is the currently falling rapidly, etc. Here the what we call that graphics is a bit different. Here also you will notice the graphics is a bit different. So yeah, there are small difference in the newer. This is the newer version and this is the older version. Okay, now let me go and install the newer version in One UI 8.5 also. Where is that install apk? And now let me open. You can see it installed properly, and now you can see the graphics is same. Here also you can notice. So this is the weather app which you can install in One UI 8 and One UI 8.5, and I don't know about One UI 7. Okay, it will work or not, but you can try it. There is one more One UI 9 app which you can install in One UI 8.5, in One UI 8.0, and I think you can install in One UI 7 also. I haven't tried. You can try it. And the app name is Voice Recorder. So Samsung has added a lot of new features in newer One UI 9 Voice Recorder. So I have made a specific video about that. You can watch that video. Link will be in the description. Now let me open it. This is the newer One UI 9 Voice Recorder app, and this is the older version of One UI 8.5 Voice Recorder. Instantly you will notice one thing is the duration is in older version inside this box, as you can see, but in the older version you can see the duration is outside the box. Okay, this is the one change you will notice. And another change which you will notice is if I play the recording here, you can see it's completely flat. Okay, there is no animations going on. You can see while playing the recording there is animations going on. So this is also a new thing which you will notice. And here you can see it's completely flat. There is no animations going on while playing the audio. And there are few new changes which Samsung has made in new One UI 9 voice recorder. So I don't want to make this video too long, so I have shown you few changes. Okay, now let me install the newer version of One UI 9 voice recorder in One UI 8.5. So this is the newer version. Let me tap on update. The installation is done. Now let me open it. Now you will notice that both the voice recorder is same. Okay, you can see this duration is now outside this box, and also if I play the any what we call voice recorder, you will notice that the animations is going on. So this is the new One UI 9 voice recorder app. Now you can install in One UI 8.5 and One UI 8.0. Alright guys, I have shown you the difference between One UI 9 apps and One UI 8.0. Now I will give you the download link in the description. If you're unable to download it, just come to my Instagram account. I will give my Instagram account link in the description. Just follow my account and message me. Please bro, give me the APK of One UI 9. I will definitely share you. Please like this video, and if you have any question, just comment below. I will definitely reply and help you. Bye.